Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates on global investments. Today, we will be talking about the $2.2 billion investment in the China Belarus Industrial Park project. The China Belarus Industrial Park is a joint project between China and Belarus aimed at boosting trade and economic cooperation between the two countries. The industrial park is located in the Minsk region of Belarus and covers an area of 80 square kilometers. The industrial park is expected to create over 100,000 jobs and attract investment from various countries around the world. The park already houses a number of factories and businesses including those in the electronics, automobile, and biotechnology industries. It is expected to further expand its operations in the coming years. The China Belarus Industrial Park project is a testament to the strong economic ties between China and Belarus and is a shining example of successful international cooperation. The China Belarus Industrial Park project is not only a hub for manufacturing, but it also offers a range of services including logistics, research and development, and financial services. The park aims to be a one-stop shop for businesses looking to invest in the region. The industrial park has been designed to offer a range of incentives for businesses, including tax exemptions, reduced utility costs, and streamlined administrative procedures. This makes it an attractive location for businesses looking to expand their operations in the region. The park has also invested heavily in research and development, with a focus on developing new technologies and products. This not only benefits businesses operating in the park, but also contributes to the wider global economy. The China Belarus Industrial Park project is also expected to have a positive impact on the local economy, with increased job opportunities and investment in infrastructure. This in turn will lead to increased prosperity for the people of Belarus and further strengthen the economic ties between China and Belarus. The Belarusian government has committed to creating a favorable business environment for foreign investors in the country, which includes measures to improve the ease of doing business and reduce bureaucracy. This, coupled with the incentives offered by the industrial park, is expected to attract more foreign investment to Belarus. The industrial park's focus on innovation and new technologies is also expected to have a ripple effect on the wider economy, creating new jobs and driving economic growth in the region. In addition to its economic benefits, the China Belarus Industrial Park project also prioritizes sustainability and environmental protection. The park has implemented several green initiatives, such as using renewable energy sources, reducing carbon emissions, and implementing a waste management system. The park has also launched a program to promote eco-friendly practices among businesses operating within its premises. This not only benefits the environment but also promotes a culture of sustainability and responsibility among the businesses. To ensure that the park's workforce is equipped with the necessary skills, the park has established a training center that offers training programs and courses to workers. This not only benefits the park's businesses, but also provides valuable skills and training opportunities for workers. The park also has a medical center that provides healthcare services to workers and their families. This ensures that the park's workforce is healthy and productive, which benefits both the businesses and the wider community. The park also collaborated with local authorities and businesses to provide support and resources to the wider community during the pandemic. This included donations of medical equipment and supplies, as well as offering assistance to businesses affected by the pandemic. Despite the challenges posed by the pandemic, the park's businesses have continued to operate and expand, with several new companies setting up operations in the park. The park's focus on innovation and new technologies has also played a key role in its ability to weather the pandemic. Several businesses in the park have shifted their focus to developing new technologies and products to meet the changing demands of the market. Looking ahead, the China Belarus Industrial Park project has ambitious plans for future development. The park aims to attract more businesses from a range of industries, including information technology, aerospace, and robotics. The park is also planning to expand its facilities with the construction of new factories, logistics centers, and research and development facilities. This will create more job opportunities and further boost economic growth in the region. In addition, the park is actively seeking to form partnerships with other countries, including those in Europe and Asia. These partnerships will provide new business opportunities and increase the park's global reach. The China Belarus Industrial Park project has not only had an impact on the global economy, but it has also had a positive impact on the local community in Belarus. The park has created numerous job opportunities for locals, stimulating the economy and reducing unemployment in the region. The China Belarus Industrial Park has provided me with a stable job and a steady income. I am grateful for the opportunities it has brought to our community. The park has attracted new businesses and customers to our town, boosting our sales and contributing to the local economy. It has been a game changer for our community. The The park has also formed partnerships with local universities, offering internships and training programs to students. This provides students with valuable work experience and equips them with the necessary skills to succeed in the workforce. Furthermore, the park has made several donations to the local community, including funds for education and healthcare initiatives. This demonstrates the park's commitment to the local community and its desire to make a positive impact. The China Belarus Industrial Park project has also played a key role in promoting international cooperation and diplomacy. The project is a joint venture between China and Belarus, which has strengthened their economic and political ties. Furthermore, the park has attracted investment and business opportunities from other countries, including those in Europe and Asia. This has created a platform for collaboration and partnership among different countries and has helped to bridge cultural and economic gaps. The China Belarus Industrial Park project is also a key component of China's Belt and Road Initiative, which aims to promote economic connectivity and cooperation between Asia and Europe. The park serves as a hub for trade and investment and has the potential to further strengthen the economic ties between the two regions. The park's success and potential for future growth have also led to its participation in various international forums, such as the Belt and Road Forum and the China CEC Business Forum. These forums provide a platform for sharing ideas and knowledge, as well as promoting investment and trade opportunities. The China Belarus Industrial Park project is also a leader in promoting technological innovation. The park has a strong focus on research and development and actively encourages businesses to invest in new technologies and products. The park's facilities and resources are state-of-the-art, with high-tech laboratories, advanced manufacturing equipment, and cutting-edge technologies. This has attracted businesses from a range of industries, including biotech, nanotech, and robotics. The park also hosts innovation and technology conferences and workshops, which provide a platform for exchanging ideas and knowledge among researchers and entrepreneurs. Furthermore, the park has formed partnerships with universities and research institutes, which provides businesses with access to the latest research and technology developments. This creates a culture of innovation and encourages businesses to invest in new technologies and products. The China Belarus Industrial Park project is also a key player in the global supply chain. The park's location in Europe, combined with its excellent transportation infrastructure, makes it an ideal location for businesses looking to export their products to other parts of the world. The park's businesses have established partnerships with companies in various parts of the world, which has helped to facilitate the flow of goods and services across borders. The park's high-tech manufacturing facilities and advanced technologies have also made it an important player in the production of goods that require advanced technical capabilities, such as semiconductors, telecommunications equipment, and aerospace components. The park's businesses have also invested in logistics and distribution centers, which helps to streamline the export process and reduce transportation costs. The China Belarus Industrial Park project is also a platform for promoting cultural exchange between China and Belarus and between different countries and regions. The park hosts cultural events and festivals that showcase the traditions and customs of different countries and regions. This provides a platform for promoting mutual understanding and respect among different cultures and communities. The park also encourages businesses to embrace cultural diversity and to develop products and services that cater to different cultures and preferences. The park's diverse workforce, with employees from different countries and backgrounds, provides opportunities for cultural exchange and learning. This fosters a culture of openness, diversity, and inclusivity. In conclusion, the China Belarus Industrial Park project is not just an investment in the economy, but it is also a platform for promoting cultural exchange and understanding. It fosters a culture of diversity, inclusivity, and mutual respect, which benefits both the businesses and the wider community. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on global investments.